everyone, this is Sannutha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all part 1 of my weekly vlog / a week in my life. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, today is Monday. Actually last week was all about studying and preparing for tests because I had tests going on, and today was the last subject. So I finally got done with my test, and so I thought I'd start vlogging because I have a lot of things to get done, and also I have to kind of like get my life back together. But before I get started with anything, my desk is quite messy right now, so I'll just clean up all the mess I have, and I'll organize some stuff and clean everything up so that I get into the right mindset and can start working on some things. I finally finished cleaning everything. I cleaned and organized my desk and also a few other places. And now that everything is organized, I can finally start to work on a few things. And the first thing I want to do is actually to script a video, because literally it has been such a long time since I've scripted a video. I mean, like I said, last week I had tests, so I couldn't do it. And even before that, I was kind of procrastinating to script a video. So now I'll be scripting a video. So after scripting for a while, I decided to go to the stationery because I had to get something. Let me tell you what it is and why is it for. So basically, since a few days, since a week, I've been wanting to kind of make a mood board right here, right above my desk. It's not exactly a mood board because a mood board is usually like in the same color, but this necessarily is not in the same color because it has a lot of different things. But what I wanted to create in this space is that I wanted to create something that would every time I come and sit here, I wanted something to kind of motivate me and make me happy. So that's my intention of doing this. So I went out to the stationery and got some pictures printed out. So my idea is to cut up all these pictures and put them together so that it creates a vibe. Every time I come and sit here, it kind of motivates me. So that's the plan. Let's see how this goes. So first of all, I'll cut all these pictures. So we just finished cutting all these out, and this is how it looks like, and I'm really hoping that it looks really good when I put all of those pictures here. And I didn't expect to have these many pictures, but there are quite a lot of pictures. So yeah, also Say hi to my YouTube channel. So now that I cut out all these pictures, now I'm going to stick all of these pictures on this wall, and I really hope it turns out great. So I just got done with doing this and it just looks so amazing. I'm so like happy and I just love it so much. I mean, it has definitely turned out the way I wanted it to, like the way I visualized and thought. So yeah, I'm really happy and I just love it. So I got done with all of the online classes, all the classes I had today, and after that I even had my lunch, and even after lunch I had one more class left, so I got done with that. And now I just have some reels to edit, and I also want to repurpose a few content for Instagram, so I'll be doing that. So it is a while after I was repurposing the content and was editing some reels. So I just repurposed some content for a while, and after that I was just scrolling, watching some YouTube videos for a while. I mean, for a long while in fact. And now I have some notes to complete, so I'll be doing that. But before I get started, I just wanted to say that the mood board kind of a thing I created yesterday has turned out really good. I mean, of course I spoke about this yesterday itself, but I just wanted to tell again because I really like it so much. Like, you can see the vibes of this whole place has just turned out to be really good. So I'm loving this and I'm totally glad I did something like this.